In today's video I'll show you how to speed up video export in Descript. To get started, we are on our Descript workspace dashboard looking at our recent projects. We will find and select our specific project, which opens up the editing interface where you can see our timeline and text transcript. If you've ever felt that exporting takes way too long, a quick search reveals that exporting via the cloud instead of processing it locally is the absolute best way to optimize your export speed. To put this into practice, let's go ahead and click on the Export button located in the top right corner of the screen. This opens up the Export Settings panel. Here, we can choose between publishing online or exporting a local file. To speed things up even further, we are going to tweak our export settings. We will click on the Resolution drop-down menu, which is currently set to 720p, and change it down to 480p. Lowering the resolution like this will significantly reduce the file size and rendering time without putting a heavy load on your computer. Next, ensure the access settings are configured properly, and then go ahead and click the Publish button at the bottom of the panel. You'll see a quick loading animation while it processes on the cloud. Once it says Published, click on the link icon right next to the Download button to copy the link to the share page. Now, let's open up a new browser tab. Paste the copied URL into the address bar, and press Enter. The Descript share page will load, showing a rendering progress indicator. Since it's rendering on the cloud, it offloads the heavy work from your local system and finishes much quicker. Once the page updates and says Almost Ready, the video will fully load on the web player page. From here, simply click on the download icon in the top right corner of the web interface to save the completed file directly to your local computer. You'll see the download progress pop up in your browser, and once it's completely finished, you can click to open and play your newly exported video smoothly in your media player. And that's it. That's how you speed up video export in Descript.